Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In today's video, we'll discuss about one of the wonderful tool named as Ghost. So in one of my previous video, I already told you how to install WordPress, and I also mentioned few video in the description, like how you can create a wonderful website on the WordPress. So there's one more popular platform name known as Ghost. So Ghost is a lightweight CMS that you can use for building a simple and beautiful website. You can create static website, you can create website, you can create e-commerce over there if you really want to. So in this video we'll see how we can create a Docker container out of it and how we can use it. So this is the officially Docker Hub image, and this is like the official compose file that we are planning to use, but with bit of a tweak. So let me just open up my Visual Studio Code. So this is the file. I know this is a very lengthy file. Let me try to explain it. Okay. So first thing first, as you can see here, there are two containers, one named Ghost and one named DB, because as we discussed in the WordPress video also, there like whenever we have such a thing, so usually we have two containers, one for the database, because in a website we will create a container and it should be stored somewhere in the database, so that's the reason we have the two. So now let's just understand the Ghost container first. Okay. So this is the image that we are using, this is the restart policy, these are the port that I'm using, these are few environment variable that will help this container to connect with the another database container. Okay, this is the volume that I will create. I will show you how I'm managing my Docker containers. These are the lab network that I do in almost my every video. This is the DB detail, like this is the image that I'm using, this is the restart policy, and this is also an environment variable for the database. This is the volume, and these are the networks, and this is the network. Now let me just open up the terminal. Let me clear it out. So first thing first, I'm already on my Docker container, Docker data. Let me see, is there any folder name with the ghost? No. So what I will do, I will do mkdir ghost. So our folder ghost is created. We'll cd to ghost. We'll create two more folder, data db. Okay, let's just see over here, ls-la, we have two. Let's just see tree. Okay, there are nothing on those, there are two only folder, data and db. So that's what we mentioned over. Let me just do a pwd, so you can see there, this is in this particular directory, under that we have database and db. So that's what it is, docker data, then ghost, then data, and then db. Everything is matching with that. Let's just see our what is this lab network. For that you need to run a command, docker network ls. So you can see we have a network name lab network created. Okay, now we have all the prerequisite. Now let's just run this. So how we can run it, docker compose -f, then the file name, then up -d. Perfect. Now let's just see how to verify whether these containers are running or not. So there are two containers running, so we'll run docker ps-a. These are the container name. Okay, so we'll do grep-i and docker image. So we can see there are three, because the uptime kuma also having the same thing. So as we can see here, okay, these are running perfectly fine. Okay, now let's just open our Orbstack. We'll click on the ghost, we'll click on the link icon, and the default installation of ghost will look something like that. We'll type ghost for the login. So we'll detail over here our detail. So name should be Homelab. Let's just give you one simple name. Let's just set my email address. This is just a test email address. Password, we'll use this password. People, you will be worried about like why my password like that. So they are nothing, they are just docker id that I'm pasting over here. So yeah, the default installation will look like this. Here you have your settings that you can tweak about, and these are all the things that you can do on your ghost platform. So this is just an initial video, just to let you know like how you can create or how you can deploy a ghost in your Docker environment. using a Docker Compose file. So I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion, I will make sure I will add few videos that explaining how you can customize the Ghost website. So let's suppose if you want to build a application for the end user, then probably you can refer those website also. And that's all for this one. If you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section, or if you need further assistance, you can also reach me out to on my social media handles, especially on LinkedIn or Twitter. So that's all from my side. Have a great day ahead. Till the next time, peace.